As voting proceeds in the phase 2 of the assembly polls in West Bengal, BJP Shivendu Adhikari advised the chief minister not to indulge in hooliganism. Mocking her as a 66-year-old auntie, he said she should show some restraint as she is the chief minister. She uses filthy language for the prime minister. She is a 66-year-old auntie, he said in Nandigram. Adhikari is facing off Banerjee in this constituency. A BJP worker was found hanging at his home in Nandigram in a suspected case of suicide on Thursday when the constituency went to polls in the second phase of assembly elections in Bengal. BJP leaders have pointed fingers at the ruling TMC over the death. BJP leaders have said Dubey was under tremendous stress as he was receiving threats from the TMC after he attended the recent roadshow of superstar Mithun Chakraborty. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi today asked Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman if the centre's overnight flip-flop on small savings scheme interest rates was a case of oversight as claimed or one of election-driven hindsight. She tweeted shortly after Sitharaman posted on Twitter early this morning withdrawing the steep cuts in rates announced yesterday, which was the last day of financial year 2020 to 2021. President Emmanuel Macron on Wednesday ordered France into its third national lockdown and said schools would close for 3 weeks as he sought to push back a third wave of COVID-19 infections that threatens to overwhelm hospitals. "We will lose control if we do not move now," the president said in a televised address to the nation. The death toll is nearing 100,000 and intensive care units are at the breaking point and vaccine rollout programs are also slow. Veteran actor Anupam Kher has shared a health update about his wife, actor-politician Kiran Kher, after it was revealed that she has been diagnosed with blood cancer. He said that she is undergoing treatment and reassured fans and well-wishers that she is well on her way to recovery. He added, "She's always been a fighter and takes things head-on. She's all heart and that's why she has so many people that love her."